Hey everyone. Today I want to show you a new feature that has been added to the calendar. You can see right here on the left. So you have your scheduler and your event options where you can set reminders for anything on your calendar. And now there is a new option called guest bookings, which allows your guests, other contacts, to book their own appointments with you. That will be scheduled automatically in the scheduler, and reminders automatically set. So this is like a guest bookings is like a public page that you can create, kind of like Calendarly, where people, a simpler version of that, obviously, that people can go to and they can schedule a meeting with you. Um, so you can see right here is a big button, green button that you can click to create a brand new one. You can see I already have some that are created, and if I just click on one that's already been created, you can see all the information that I filled out. So what it'll do is it'll give you an ID, and that ID, will be part of the URL right here, which you will then give to people to schedule a meeting with you. Right. So if I go back to guest bookings, you can see I have a 60-minute meeting, a 30-minute meeting, a 90-minute meeting, right? So you can have multiple calendars essentially, where they're not different calendars, but they're different appointment lengths or for different appointment reasons, right? So maybe um, a certain type of appointment with you is just 30 minutes, but another type of appointment is 60 minutes. So you can set up different types of meetings that they can schedule in your one calendar. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. So basically, you'll need to give it an event title. You put organizer name here. Typically, would be your name, your company's name, location. This is where you would select. We currently support 30, 60, 90, 120-minute meetings. You should upload a logo, meeting description, put whatever you want. You can see I have my Zoom information there. Um, Here is additional information, like if you wanted to ask additional questions that they can fill out the information for before the meeting. And then you don't have to put a confirmation message. It'll give a default one by, a default message saying that it was successfully booked or whatever. But if you wanted any special instructions after they book the meeting, you can add them here. Now, then you'll have to fill out your days, and right here, this top part is the days and hours in which you are available for people to book. So you can see I have Monday through Friday only enabled with 9 to 5. But then if you want to exclude sometimes, I allow you to exclude one um, set of times per day, right? So let's say, you go to lunch from 11 to or 12 to 1. I currently have, if I wanted 12 to 1, 5 days a week, right? Give me an hour for lunch. I don't want anybody to book appointments then. I could set, the excluded time frames and just hit save. So now if I click on the link, basically, this is the link that you would give to your contacts to book a meeting with you. This is what they would see. They would see your logo, the title, the description, the location, the duration, and here is where they can pick meeting times. And, only the times that are available will be listed in this box. So if your day is already full, it'll say no times available, or only the times that are available. And of course, they can change their time zone. They can put all of their information. Right here is where, it would say what other information you want them to provide before the meeting. And then they just hit schedule. And it's as simple as that. And then the meeting will then be scheduled on your calendar. And if you clicked it, you would see in the description, it would add the additional information that they provided. And you could see who booked it with you. An email notification will be sent to, you and the person if you have, these buttons um, it disabled, right? So disable sending calendar invite to yourself. So if you want to do that, you just turn that on, but by default, it will be off and you'll get the calendar invite. And this is off by default, so others will get the calendar invite when they book using your calendar. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks a lot.